Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Speck Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a new case from Speck to review for your iPhone 15 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I have some goodies from Speck for your iPhone 15 Pro. They came out with new technology this time and we're going to discuss it, and I'm going to show you the new technology that they have made up and what they sent to me for a review. Yes, we will be reviewing the Presidio 2 grip case for the iPhone 15 Pro. I've been using Speck for a lot of years now, and I do enjoy the case. The grip case is probably one of the best cases that if you want grip, this is the case you need. If you drop your phones a lot because you say your case is slippery, it is not slippery with the Grip 2 case or Presidio 2 grip case from Speck. They came up with a patent pending technology called ClickLock, so that way it has like a no-slip interlocking piece of equipment there, and they sent this out to me. Bam. But basically what it is, they sent me out the wallet. It has this little thing where it makes it non-slip and it just locks in there better. This is the wallet little piece to it. They also sent me like the kickstand or grip, like you can hold your phone like this, which is pretty cool, and it has all that new technology. And then also a car mount, a vent mount for your car. And then here's the packaging. I kind of opened them up already, but you can see there, ClickLock, non-slip, MagSafe, interlock. And you can see the pictures there. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. And then they have it for, this is the grip and the kickstand, and then this was the wallet. So I'll have links to all of it. You can pick them up and, you know, get them and have the function thing. I mean, if you're going out of town, you slip this on your case and you don't have to worry about a wallet. You don't have to worry about a wallet case, and it's slim and it will stay on there and not slip off. I guess people was having troubles with that. But let's get into this whole thing. We got a lot to go over. I do love the grip on here. I can see the grip from here, but nice packaging from Speck. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. I mean, it is definitely a lot to read there, but it does have the click, says no slip. This case comes in multiple colors too that you can pick up, but look at that. So it has the technology here, so it just slips in right there. You can see a little Speck logo there. You have grip here. You also have grip on the back, so when you hold the phone, it will not slip out your hand. But let's see how this thing fits on my 15 Pro. And it's nice and snug too. You do get camera protection. Bam. You also, everything lines up. I like how the buttons are different colors. The power button is easy to press, nice and tactile. Same thing with the volume rockers there. No, not really an issue. They do have a button for the action button, so you press it and hold it. It actually works really good. That's actually pretty nice. This is the one thing I hate about iOS there. Man. And it feels good. Right now, with nothing on it, it doesn't add bulk. So if you just want the Presidio 2 grip case, it's not going to add bulk to your phone at all. And you get, look at the lip action you get around the whole case. I mean, the whole phone itself. You get all that lip action there too, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display with the iPhone. I mean, just the grip you get on here is good. But y'all didn't just come for that. Y'all came for the new technology. So here is the wallet. You can hold up to 3 cards in there, and you heard the click. So now, oh, I turned on the flashlight some kind of way. How do I turn it off? Off. There you go. You heard the click there, and it's on there good too. So you can hold up to 3 cards and you have this little thing to push them out, and it's on there. I mean, it takes a lot to get it off. I mean, I'm really pulling on there. Also, one thing too, before I go any further, let's check out how good the case fits itself. Look, and that's what Speck is known too for, is like, you cannot move this case. It fits really snug everywhere. And to even get it off, it takes some work. Like, there you go. You don't want to bend it too much, because you've seen what happens if you bend your phone. But it takes some work to get the phone out of the case. So, again, if you drop this case and the phone in it, the phone is not going to bounce out at all, which is great. I love this little, I might have to carry this around. If I'm just going out, I slap that on there. It does add a little bit of bulk to it. I mean, you can see. But also, if you want the ability to hold your phone, or you want a kickstand, you have this now too. So this turns 360, which is technology that they came up with. So you can hold it many different ways. Also, the little kickstand here, or stand, you can do it vertically, horizontally, both ways. You can probably change the angle some. You can change the angle how you look at it vertically too. So this is versatile. I mean, if you're holding your phone like this, you just have that little button there. It makes it comfortable, and it has that click technology, so it won't just sit there and move around. It's in there really good too. And the magnet is strong on this one too. Okay. So I like that technology. The last thing they sent out was the magnet for the car. And as you can tell, it has the same technology there. So you just plug that in your vent, bam, and you can change the angle and everything that you look to do here. And it has that same click technology. It just lines up there. You kind of just click it in there, and it works. Now, how strong is it for MagSafe? How strong is that MagSafe charger? And as you can tell, it is pretty strong. It failed the test after shaking it for a while. My charging cable is about to come off, so the magnet is there. Is it the strongest? Probably not, but I don't think you will have a problem with it. I love the technology that they have came up with this click. Now, it works with all their other cases. Stay tuned. I will have more of their cases coming out. So let's just wrap this up. Probably one of my longest case videos. Does it add bulk? No. Do you get camera protection? Yes. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you do. Are the buttons really good? Yes, they are great. Everything lines up. This is probably one of the best fitting cases that I have. Then you can get so many different accessories with this case. And that's what makes it unique. I guess with MagSafe, a lot of companies do that. This is their technology. I like it a lot. If you want to pick up the case, look in the description. I will have the links there. That way you can pick it up. If you want to pick up the accessories, look there too. I'll have the links for, that way you can pick up all the accessories that you're looking for. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.